I've tested a lot of CRMs. Some were bloated, others felt like spreadsheets with extra steps. Then I tried Pipedrive, and right away, I could tell this CRM was built by salespeople for salespeople. If you want a CRM that actually helps you close deals instead of just tracking them, this one might be it. But there are a few catches. Let me give you my full, honest review after using it for real. In this video, I'll break down Pipedrive CRM, how it works, what it gets right, what could be better, and who it's actually for. Whether you're a solo founder, startup sales team, or a growing business, here's everything you need to know. Pipedrive is laser focused on sales pipeline management. It's visual, intuitive, and drag and drop simple. It helps you move leads through your funnel without feeling like you're managing software, and it's surprisingly customizable, even at lower tier plans. This isn't some all-in-one marketing plus CRM suite. It's pure sales execution. Here's what stands out. Visual pipelines, easily track deals across stages. Activity reminders, stay on top of follow-ups automatically. Email sync and tracking, know who opened your emails right inside the CRM. Lead and deal scoring, prioritize what matters most. Workflow automation, auto-assign tasks, send emails, and update statuses. AI-powered sales assistant gives suggestions on next best actions. It's clean, it's fast, it's focused. Pipedrive starts at $14.90 per month for the Essentials plan, up to $99 per month for the Power plan. But the sweet spot for most teams is the Advanced or Professional tier, which gives you full email sync, workflow automation, reporting dashboards, sales team collaboration tools. No free plan, but you do get a 14-day free trial. No credit card required. For the features, it's pretty affordable, especially if you're closing deals. Now let's be real, no free tier like HubSpot. It's not a full marketing suite, no landing pages, limited email marketing. Reporting is solid, but not enterprise level. Advanced automation costs more and may require setup time. The mobile app is good, but not amazing for power users. Also, if you're not a sales-focused team, the UI might feel too pipeline-heavy or niche. Who this CRM is for? Pipedrive is perfect for sales teams that want clarity and control, founders or agencies focused on closing leads, startups that want automation without bloat, teams who want results, not reports. Not ideal for marketing-heavy businesses that need full funnel tools, companies that want a free CRM, enterprise-level orgs with deep reporting or compliance needs. Pipedrive is one of the best CRMs for sales teams, period. It's fast, visual, customizable, and built for people who hate clunky software. If your priority is closing deals, not fiddling with tools, Pipedrive makes a strong case. But if you're looking for a complete all-in-one marketing plus service suite, you might want to look elsewhere. If this review helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Are you using Pipedrive or comparing it to something like Copper, Close, or HubSpot? Let me know what you want to see next. I'll see you in the next one.